On-screen text, how to disable iPhone mirroring on Mac in 60 seconds. Narrator, let's quickly turn off iPhone screen mirroring on your Mac so nothing pops up when you don't want it to. Narrator, first, on your Mac, click the Apple logo in the top left corner. On-screen text, Step 1, Apple menu. Narrator, choose System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. On-screen call-out brackets around both options. Narrator, in System Settings, go to Displays. On-screen text, Step 2, Open Displays. Narrator, under Displays, find the AirPlay display or Screen Mirroring drop-down and set it to Off. On-screen text, Step 3, Set to Off. Narrator, now your Mac won't automatically mirror your iPhone screen through AirPlay. On-screen text, Mac mirroring disabled. Narrator, next, let's stop mirroring directly from your iPhone. On-screen text, control it from iPhone 2. Narrator, on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. On-screen text, Step 4, Open Control Center. Narrator, tap the Screen Mirroring button. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. Narrator, if your Mac is currently selected, tap it again to stop mirroring. On-screen text, tap Mac to disconnect. Narrator, you can also just tap Stop Mirroring if you see that option. On-screen text, option, Stop Mirroring. Narrator, and that's it. iPhone mirroring to your Mac is now disabled, both from Mac settings and from your iPhone. On-screen text, mirroring, off heavy check mark.